Hi YouTubers, back with another video on this Peugeot. I've got the exhaust manifold off, and as you can see, she's leaking oil in this area from this unit over here. But also what I just discovered is, have a look at that exhaust port there. I don't know if you can see how they look. That one is carbon closed, so I'll have to clean it. So that is not such a nice good news. That's why she's making trouble as well on the saying advanced timing and stuff, because of that. Carboned up like that as well. That could also cause trouble, that she's not giving out enough over there. As you can see, that's where the oil is leaking, so I'll sort that out as well quickly, and then I'll clean it off and clean that exhaust port. I must just make sure that valve is closed, in a closed position, before I clean the port, because if it's open, the dirt will go into the port. I don't want it going on top of the piston into the cylinder, so the valve must be shut before I can clean it properly. Okay, so I'll wash all this off, clean it all up, take this unit off here, reseal it, clean that port, put the exhaust back, put that back, the oil filter section back, put the exhaust back, and then start and see how she runs. Thank you very much. Thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.